Morning, guys. Me and Ethan, we're here for some Galarian Sirfetch'd boxes. What are we looking for?
We're looking for Charizard and Evolutions and
Or Charizard, and Darkness of Galarian?
Yeah, or Sword and Shield, Zashi and Gold card.
Well, that'd be nice. Well, we got 4 of these to get into. We had some pretty good pulls last night, so hopefully we have good luck today as well. Wish us luck. Let's get into it.
Also, sorry guys that we're not opening up the boost box. I didn't really feel like opening up the voltage. I'm sorry about that.
Little princess over here didn't want to open up Vivid Voltage, so I guess I'm going to do it by myself, and I'll get to Pikachu by myself.
You did that with a Charizard, so.
Well, I guess I need to be by myself. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Do it how it's comfortable. Energy retrieval. Oh yeah, heat more. Drizzle. My nizzle. Silly Cobra. Tricks are for kids. Mana. Rosalia. Mana again. We don't want a mana. Well, we can't win them all, dog. You can't win them all.
No, you can't.
Well, I can get a white one. Let's see here. Water.
Fire.
Looks like we're not psychic. Mana.
Krabby and the Hollow.
Cinderace.
I hope it's Cinderace.
Well, his name is Cinderace. Look, see? Cinderace.
I can see this. That's just how I pronounce it, though. Don't tell me I get 2 green
dude.
cards.
Hold on. Well, let me just roll through this one then.
You gotta guess.
Well, you didn't want to watch. You didn't want to do these anyway, you know. Oh. All right. Well, hopefully this one's a white one. We'll give this one to you. Oh, dang, that sucks.
Sword and Shield is being not too fun to us.
I'm not even gonna guess that. I'm just gonna scroll on through. Let's move on to Darkness. Darkness Ablaze.
So it looks like Sword and Shield is not that good.
Oh no, it was terrible. One regular hollow. And that is 1 out of the 4 boxes. So that means, we might get some good ones out of here. If we didn't get any good ones out of that, I'd rather get good ones out of Darkness or Evolutions versus Sword and Shield.
Yeah.
What you think? You got some magic on the first pack?
Hope so. I think so.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Nope. Is it Still
Fire.
4.
Oh,
You got it. Cling clang.
Clang, 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 clang.
That's a green one too, dude. Water.
Fire. Don't tell me all of these are green.
That's a green one too.
We have some. Well, we are gonna have some good luck.
Electric.
Dark. Oh!
Dark energy it was. Another green.
Wow. Already half of darkness ablaze, and we haven't gotten really anything.
Metal energy.
Grass.
Psychic.
I guess we're not psychic.
Psych.
That's the wrong number.
Wow. We got 4 darkness ablaze. There's a white one. Hold on. Let's see if these are all 4 whites.
Yes.
Nope. Nope.
Please be right. No.
All right. So out of 4 boxes,
Only one.
that's out of man. 4 boxes. Only one of them's a hit.
We gotta get something good out of evolutions then. If we don't get the Charizard out of the white.
Water.
Grass.
It's terrible.
What was our reverse again? Legendary. Nothing. What is? Grass.
Great.
Oh yeah.
I think somebody sees the other side of the cards. Cheating on me.
No.
Yeah, I think you are cheating.
No.
So you're gonna get this one wrong.
Water.
Fire. Oh, and I was gonna say steel energy too, but I chose not to.
Are you sure about that?
All right, dude. This one's gonna be yours. This has got to be your last pack,
It's gotta be on
but
this pack.
because we only got 4 packs to go, and this is the only white code from Darkness Ablaze. So it's all on you.
Water.
Fire.
What do you guess?
Oh, too
I was
late.
thinking fire.
All right. No, get you out. Yeah, there you go. Come on,
Sure.
baby. Pull that Zard.
Rillich. Yellhorn. Panpour. Sparkick. Bouncy. Doesn't speak.
Butterfree.
Butterfree.
Boo.
It looks like Darkness Ablaze wasn't too nice. Nice
Yeah,
back luck.
well,
and it happened.
Hopefully, we get something from the evolutions. Because we don't. They ain't looking too good, man.
Right.
Come on, baby. Oh, it's so sad. Is it 3?
Yeah, I think so.
Electric. Oh wait, that's
This
a trainer. Electrode. Yeah, there's.
That's how this set works. It's three different
Reverse magnetism. Man.
Let these all be white. Let these all be white. Let these all be. Oh my!
These are garbage. Garbage.
Let this be white. Let this be white. Let this be white. Let this be white. Let this be all mine.
Well, there's 1. 3 to the front.
Professional. Metapod. Switch. Rattata.
Rattata.
Rattata. Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Gyarados.
Gyarados reverse. That's cool. Oh.
Mega
Oh,
Charizard!
Nice.
Woo!
I will take that.
Wow.
Yeah, the centering's just slightly off. Like, it seemed like this just a little bit.
Yeah.
But still.
A Mega Charizard out of the Mega Charizard pack, guys.
Not too bad. We'll put that Gyarados nice behind those cards. Let's look through them later.
Wow, so we pulled a Mega Charizard Y out of a Mega Charizard Y pack.
And there's a green.
I don't like this. These all boxes kind of suck.
Oh, look at that! I got the reverse one too. Oh, dude. These boxes
I mean, that's a hit.
didn't look very good.
It's kind of a
But yeah, no, this is a hit. For sure, man. Absolutely.
I wonder how much like the reverse one is.
We'll find out. Nice. All right.
Ooh,
We got
two
garbage
Charizards.
until we didn't get garbage.
Yeah.
That was a success. Well, guys, not too bad of an outing. It was a little scary at first because it was putting out a whole bunch of nothing. Regular Butterfree V, Cinderace, and a whole bunch of green cards. But then, ba-pow!
Doubles.
Mega Charizard EX and the OG reverse from Evolutions. So yes, definitely worth it. I was getting scared, but I am totally happy now. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.
Peace. I love y'all.